Hey guys, it's Connor Bliss going to renew a 93 plus overall specialist player. And this gives you a 93 plus, obviously, unauctionable specialist player. Hopefully we can get like a 97 or 98. 95 Ricky Rubio. Not bad. I like my small ball lineup. Now let's go check what I forgot to check what he helps with. But that replace Damian Lillard. But that he helps with. Or did he not help with anything? Because I know some of them help with stuff. Oh, never mind that then. But 95 Ricky Rubio, who has 75 3-pointer, 89 base speed, who 97 dribble, 97 passing, but pretty good pull, better than some of the 93s you can pull. Yeah, but there's an Avery Bradley. That would be nice for our Pistons team. But this is Connor Bliss signing out. Peace.